Good morning! Grabe, gising ako na ganito kaaga. It is currently 8:45 a.m. And we're here at the lounge. Kasama namin for this trip si Ate Nick and si Ate Chess. For the first time in forever. Slay! Artista yarn. And matching nails kami. We both have red nails. Nakakatay siya, so kailangan niya gumanong ganun. Na-influence ako ni Ate Chess sa red nails. Kasi sabi niya na ako puti siya ng hands. Which is true. It is mine. I really like it. Anyway, so we're here at the lounge and I got congee with toyo, calamansi, scallions, and garlic.
Fried garlic.
Hindi talaga ako kumakain nito. Oh, it's so dark. Ang dami kong toyo na nalagay. Pero hindi talaga ako kumakain ng lugaw.
Medium. I checked her. Isang
I like the calamansi.
side pa yung wala.
Actually, medyo matagal pa kami dito. Kasi 10:20 pa yung boarding. Asim. Okay, let me get a drink. Asim. Ito na sa Ate Chess. Medyo mainit yung coca.
Para hindi ako ma-tempt sa dyan.
Okay, I'm full. Ngayon lang ako kumain sa lounge. Oh yeah. Kapag yung siomay, specifically sa Pugs, yun, marami ako kumain nun. Kahit anong oras pa yun, kakainin ko yun talaga. Pero ngayon lang ako kumain ng umaga. Kasi maganda nga yung oras. Sakto lang. Let's see what we'll do later. Okay guys, it is currently 10:40 a.m. and we are here. Walang tao sa likod namin, so pwede kayo mag-recline all the way.
Relax.
Nails again.
Relax.
So this flight is going to Hong Kong and then 4 hours layover and then Incheon. So yeah. I'm so excited. Actually, gusto ko makita yung movies. Hindi ko alam kung matutulog ako or manonood ng movie, but why not, right? Why not? What should we watch? Oh, Zootopia 2. Actually, hindi ko pa napapanood yung Zootopia 2. So let's see. There's Wicked, Eternity. Okay, I'm not sure yet what to watch, so we'll see later. Annyeong! Okay guys, we're here sa Hong Kong airport and we're gonna be here for like 3 to 4 hours. So right now we're looking for McDo and Starbucks because we want coffee. And it is currently 2:09 p.m. Our flight's at like 5:40. So yeah. We have a lot of time and I wanna look for Jellycats pero wala tayong Jellycats dito. Mukha lang. Kamukha ng Jellycats pero hindi siya Jellycat. We're gonna eat because low-key I'm so hungry. Hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan yung food sa plane. Natulog lang ako sa plane actually. Kasi I'm so very tired. Pero pag sa Korea flight, baka mag-ano na ako, movies or whatever. Ganda kasi ng recline, nakaka-ano talaga. So, hindi ko napigilang matulog. But yeah. Ayan o, look, there's so many plushies like that. You know, you would think it's Jellycat, but it's not. See? They look like Jellycats. Look at that. But it's not. So yeah, we're gonna look for McDo and Starbucks and then we're gonna eat. Let's go! Me, I got Big Mac. Yeah, let's have a taste. This is mine. Hello, kalat. Not bad.
Dati nga wrap lang mo yung bigay nila.
Oh, Bruce.
Low ice
Thank you. Parang ko lang siya mamimili. Okay, I got strawberry acai with lemonade. Tagal ko na hindi nag-Starbucks, low-key. My usual, yeah. Really, really good. Hey guys, we're here. It is currently 10:52 p.m. And weather check, umuulan, pero hindi naman ganun kalamig. Like, legit, aircon.
Hindi ka lang kalamit.
Hindi ka na, wag. Di naman ganun kalamig. Like, kaya pa naman ng cardigan lang. Like, may mas malamig pa.
Scam.
Exactly. Like,
Damn, it's so cold.
No. May mas malamig pa. Ito, sakto lang to.
It's so cold.
Legit. Pero baka dahil medyo mainit sa loob. So like, okay for me yung weather. But yeah, it's raining. Then, so now we're waiting for an Uber. So we can go to our airport hotel. Airport hotel lang kami tonight. Kasi pupunta rin kami Busan tomorrow. So, hindi muna kami mag-Seoul. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is the fit. Kaya pa.
Oh, what's the fit?
Kaya pa. Okay, so this is the fit. So my cardigan is from Uniqlo. Jeans from Cotton On. And then my New Balance. And then Polen bag. And then my trunk. So yeah, we're waiting. So we'll see. Let's go. Okay, it's a feast. We have yogurt, yeah, and then we have Dubai choco cream puff, and then I have cherry tomatoes and apples, and then we have peanut butter sandwich, and then we have mamon for the Filipinos, and then apple juice. Let's eat this. Cherry tomatoes and apples. Kasi parang masyadong maaga pa for Oreos or like the busho-busho or like the ramen snack. Here's what it looks like. Oh, so good. Low-key. Okay ba yung mic ko? Saktong-sakto sa bibig ko. Okay. Ooh, here's what it looks like. Let's start with the apple. This is for Gia. Gia, cheers! Tamis, Je. Magustuhan to ni Je. It's really good.
Bigyan mo sila dito. Dito kayo na
Okay, next, cherry tomato. Dun, 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 dun.
Asim. Walang tamis.
Asin. Yung cherry tomatoes niya, parang pang luto talaga. Hindi siya pang snack. Compared din sa SNR, pwede siya ng kahit walang kahit ano. But it's good.
Ang takot ko lang kasi wala siyang...
We'll see ano pang gagawin namin.
Tanggalin mo yung...
See, it's actual ramen inside yung powder. Luto tayo. Luto tayo. Ayaw nga dapat kinrush muna. Crush, add, shake nakalagay. Oops. Not following directions. Pwede pa yun. Madali lang pala. I-shake. Shake rice. Taste that. Tikman na natin. O, tama lang yung size. Okay. Okay, tikman na natin. Ramen pa rin siya.
Ramen siya.
Diba? Okay. Here it is. ASMR. That's it for the taste test.
Ito na ASMR.
Guys, we are finally here sa hotel in Busan. And right now, we're freshening up kasi punta kami sa beach. Dito kami sa Haeundae area para nasa beach side. It is currently 3:09 p.m. Nakarating kami sa Busan mga 1 p.m. Kaya lang medyo matagal from Busan Station to here. So, ayun. I'm just gonna re-straighten my hair. Weather check. Hindi naman ganun kalamig. Sobrang perfect ng weather actually. Medyo mahangin, tapos sunny. Perfect for the beach! I'm so excited! So yeah, we're just gonna finish this and then I'm gonna head to the beach. So yeah. Yeah.
Marami mo.
Gusto ni Ma.
Egg.
Cheers. Sarap. Okay guys, it's time for pork belly, my favorite. Okay.
Hindi yan pwedeng pink-pink, ha?
Oh.
Hindi yan, hindi yan.
Hop.
Parang na dyan gawan.
That's why I like it.
Yan ang gusto nito. Magawa mo na yung picture na. Ay, post mo yung... Okay, so post mo yung picture ako muna yan.
Hi guys! So we are here at Namcheondong Street, Cherry Blossom Street. And oh my gosh, the beach is right there. It is currently 5:34 p.m. and super ganda ng weather, hindi siya mahangin. So like, super sakto nung lamig. Super sakto nung lamig niya. As in, actually wala kang lamig eh. Talagang ano lang siya. Just the sun and the natural temperature, coldness of Busan. So yeah. Oh my gosh, the beach is right here. The beach is right there. It's right there. I'm so excited. We're walking to the beach. Oh my
You know na,
goodness.
it's the beach kasi ano na yung wooden.
Oo. It's like a dock.
Yes, it's a... Yun yung pang burak.
Wow. I love it. The bridge is right there. It's the Kwangali Bridge. Oh. Corn dog.
Uy, pottery Sophie.
Hey guys, it is currently 7:23 p.m. And nandito kami sa parang street food market or something. Na, if I'm not mistaken, dito yung sa XOKT episode 1, season 3. So yeah, we're gonna look for some food or snacks. Low-key, gusto ko ng parang hotok. Yun yung kay Mino. Mino! But yeah. So yeah, let's go! Game. Slay! Parang lamp ka dyan. See, this is it. Parang yung sa XOKT, yung nasa medyo harap pa. Hindi ako sure, pero super familiar talaga kasi. So I think ito yun. And sure ako sa Busan. So baka ito yun. But we'll never know, I guess. So yeah, let's go! Okay, we found this souvenir shop. Siyempre kailangan natin ng souvenir from Busan. They have they have magnets here. And then meron din dito. Cute to. Yun siya. Ooh, postcards. Ito mug. Wow, this is so cute. Handcrafted siya.
Ceramic pa.
Another XOKT filming location. This one. Yeah. Yun yung gumagawa ka ng bag tags. May ganyan din naman sa Seoul. Pero yan specifically sa XOKT. Kaya remarkable. So I think ito talaga yung alleyway na yon. Anyway, we're still looking around. Smells really good. Ang cute ng doggy. Yes. Tiyanan. Super daming food stalls dito. Merong like raw and cooked seafood.
6,000 lang yung
And there's a lot of like corn dogs and stuff. Oh my gosh. Ang dami talaga. Like, ang daming fried food and seafood. Wow. This is the classic like Korean street food. Yeah, I think they're gonna buy here. This is tteokbokki. Ito siya. Look how big the tteokbokki is. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna buy bungopang. 안녕하세요. 단pan 하나 주세요. 감사합니다. I'm so good. What can you say? Wow! 감사합니다.
Hindi, ito lang.
Tanpat.
Hana juice.
Hana 주세요. 네. That's basically one sweet red bean juice. That's all. It's really good. Oh my gosh, it's Shin-chan. I love it. Hey y'all! So it is currently 9:24 a.m. and we are here at Cheongsapo Square because we're gonna ride the sky capsule or whatever to Haeundae Beach. I'm so excited. This is the outfit. Medyo malamig ha, pero kaya pa naman. My top is from Mera. My skirt is from Bershka. And then jacket from Spao. And then si Ate Nick, balot na balo. Sabi kasi ni Ate Nick, mainit daw. Tapos biglang paglabas namin, malamig. So, dinala namin yung jacket namin. Here it is. So yeah, we're just waiting for the time to board. Time to board. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, they bought candy. I want the squashy. Squashy ba tawag doon? Can you give me squashy? Squashy. Ang tagal ko na gustong kainin to or tikman. Pero ang mahal niya sa Shopee. So. We're waiting for the sky capsule. Nakapila na kami. Sarap squashy. My lord. Addicting. Hindi ba ako nagbe-breakfast by the way? Ang tigas.
Ito na.
Sarap na ma'am. Tigas nga lang.
Kaya naman na sa'yo.
Kaya lang ka tayo. Si mami. Goodness gracious!
Ikaw yung nag-shoplift! You were the one caught stealing on CCTV! My twin brother is a criminal! Pag mga matawag-tawag na, criminal? Brother! Gumawa rin kami ng TikTok ni Vice Ganda.
Har ako! Ayoko! Him ka! Him ka kaya? Pag nagsa-CR ka sa he, ako sa she. Tapos pag umiihi ako, naku po, ikaw nakatayo.
So yeah, that's our TikTok. And we're still here! Ang ganda ng lighting dito. It's so, so nice. Then there's the other sky capsules. Talaga, most of the spots here talaga. Filming spots na XO Kitty. Ayun na yung bridge. The bridge is right there. Hindi lang masyadong kita pa. But yeah! Let's go! Takbo pa. Ito si Ate Chess. Ito Ate Chess. Okay, we're in front of the beach. Medyo. The beach is right there. The bridge is right there. And then, she's there. Goodness gracious. Ikaw yung nag-shoplift. Pareho kami ni Ate Chess naka-heels. So, medyo mabagal kami maglakad. Pero, at least maganda yung forma. You know what I mean? Pero ganito pala feeling ng matangkad. Ay, nako. Sana all talaga. Oh, si Ate Nick nag-run siya kaninang umaga. Actually, ako, pwede rin kasi ako mag-run. Kasi ang aga ko nakatulog. O, di ba? Aga ko natulog. Kaya lang, wala eh. Tinamad talaga ako. And wala rin ako dalang workout clothes. Because, you know, I don't like running.
Yung New Balance.
Workout clothes. So, yeah. We're going back to the station. And then, we're gonna go to the outlets. So, yeah, let's
dito na
go!
tayo, Chess.
Check mo.
Sabay sa mga.
I'm sorry, cheese sticks. Chicken burger.
Ito, sama yung kimchi dito.
Ayun, para
Lang mo.
pinabalik ko na. Kaya hindi ko yung alam. Kaya kayo ko, baka kalanin ako yan. Di ba na? Orange meron. Globe. Ano yung globe? It's globe. Hindi na ako. Pabalik na kita, madam.
Dalawang case na.
Kapal lang mukha.
Guys na.
Sa toyo.
Saan yung restaurant? Ayaw ko yung...
What do you think? Pretty good. Ay, hindi nyo kita.
If
Pretty
you
good.
watch Project Hail Mary,
They're going back now. Tanan. Pretty good, pretty good. Night, y'all. Let's try this big crab. Okay, crab. Cheers. This is my food, by the way. Crab, sausage, fish cake, cheese hot dog. Ito yung cat chest. Crab,
Octopus. Fish cake.
sausage, and fish cake. Yeah. Okay, not bad yung crab stick. Parang malaking ano lang siya. Malaking crab stick, yeah. Bagay sana to with like butter, garlic, or whatever, but
Pero parang oily na rin siya on food. I think there's
the place is called Premium Busan Fish Cake. So, puro fish cake talaga yung binibenta. Tapos, para siyang bread to. Kukunin mo lang siya. And then, ima-microwave mo siya. And then, that's it. Okay naman siya. Quality naman yung food. Okay, next we have this sausage fish cake. Sarap ba?
kita ba?
Sarap din to. Pretty good.
I give it a 7.
7 daw siya. 7.5. Ako mga 8. 8.5. Now, let's try the hot dog. I think I'm gonna pass on the fish cake. Medyo busog na ako talaga. May cheese siya sa loob.
May golden pa sa back.
Okay naman.
3 for each.
Mukha naman kasi masarap lahat. So talagang may entice ka talagang bumili ng marami. May pagka-spicy siya. But it's good. Mga 6/10. Protein bagel. I got this protein brownie chips. They also have protein shake, but I didn't buy it.